Siya lang ang aking napuna, lahat sila Dimyor, Kaya, Hey and Drew, I would like you to meet my friends. And believe me, lahat sila ay may Mercedes-Benz. This is Hannah, this is Karen, this is Tanya, this is Jill. Lahat sila nakatira sa San Lorenzo Villa among the four. Kay Ana, ako napatingin. At pagkatapos nun si Ana ay biglang lumapit sa'kin. Tinanong niya ako, hey Andrew, can I have your number 2? Sumagot ako, 801-6722. Okay then, kami nag-party, hotel the break of dawn. Umuwi ako ng bahay, tinatulog ako maghapon. As you know, ako'y ginising, and nag-shock na siya. Nag-ring ang aking phone, kaninang 2 o'clock.
Nag-ring ang cellphone ay wala na padayon.
Penayas na tanigod, sabi ko, Hannah, go where? Ang sabi niya, come over here. I'd really eat some pizza and I'd really drink some beer. So, after 20 minutes, I was knocking on her door. Nakita ko si Hannah, she was lying on the floor. Tinawag na yun, alam niyo ba? Ang sakit sa akin, Andrew, are you ready now? Hello, Christina.